Alright, YouTube. So, we're on the island of Morea.
There's one right there.
Oh, get it. Oh god, dude, Adam, you're so bad at that,
What
dude.
do you mean? I killed one. It's right there.
No, you didn't. I saw it. YouTube's
Look,
on
it's
too.
right there. It's right there. It's right there.
2:28 in the morning. It was getting kind of scary. At some point, I was curled up in a ball, fetus style. I thought Adam was sleeping. I was hearing a bunch of buzzing sounds. I was wadding my head like my face. All the mosquitoes out of my face. And I was scared. And I just wanted to be in a hotel.
There's one right there.
Oh, there's one right next to you too. Why are you blowing it to me?
Why is the window open still?
Alright, anyways, we fucking had to drive all the way to a different spot because this is getting a little too hectic, and we're sleeping in a hotel for the rest of the nights here because, yeah, as far as mosquito wise, it's a lot crazier than in Tahiti. So just a little tip right there. We're going a little crazy, but it's all good. Alright, see you in a couple hours when we are not well rested.
Look at that one. Blood. It's the blood.
Dude, that's our blood.
I know.
We're taking back what's ours. God, dude.
That's malaria.
I don't believe in killing animals and insects.
Just kill these, burn these ones.
But honestly, like,
do mosquitoes do any
I don't
even
know.
like help? Do they help at all? Do they help Earth at all?
well, every living creature does its part.
I don't think. No, there's some that don't. I think mosquitoes might be one of them. We found 2 more. We're done with the mosquitoes, so we're gonna drive up to our hotel right now. We gave in and got a hotel, but it's pretty nice. This is the room. We got the honeymoon suite because we are in a honeymoon island. This is the bathroom. It's pretty nice. It's got a stand-up shower.
Hey, get out of here! Get out of here, mister!
I didn't see you. You camouflaged with the dark. I'm gonna go show you the premises real quick. Nice dining area. Kitchen area. Is this a barbecue? I think so. A swimming pool. This is our private beach right here. The public beach is over there. We're gonna go there too. The water here is super warm. Hey, look, a fish. It's way warmer than Tahiti. My logic is because it's super shallow, and I think that's correct. So, yeah. And then there's a fish right here.
Rainbow fish. There you go, guys. There you have it.
This is definitely not the over the lagoon water, but this is nice too, you know. This is nice. This will do. No more mosquitoes, hopefully. Okay, I'll dip it. Cool shell. Look at this. Whoa. Let's go clear it off. That's a cool shell. Of course, there's mosquitoes in here. Look at the chocolate flavors. There we go. Budget breakfast for the win. Gonna go read a book for a little bit. I don't need some sun right now. Can I feed one?
Got it.
May I feed one? Do I touch it right here?
Here it's softer.
Whoa.
It's not very soft. And don't never touch the tail though.
Okay.
They don't like it.
Alright.
Want some more fish or you have?
Oh, he looks like he swallowed your hand.
One more? Want to try again?
Come on. Come eat my fish. Oh my god! Ah!
There's some more.
Oh, you like me. You like me now. Is it because I have food?
She will love you.
Because I have food or what? We're gonna try the scuba gear out. There we go. It's really hard to walk on fins. I think. I feel like a clown. Oh my god, it's so hard to do this. Bro, look, we're in the blue water we wanted to be at. Ah. Alright guys, this is some of the saltiest water I've ever been in. It makes me almost want to puke every time I get some in my mouth. Taking pictures for our moms. Gotta pay to play.
Yeah, pay to play.
You gotta pay to play. Whoa! Alright, we just got to the local champion. We're gonna do some shopping. Okay. How to tell if pineapple's ready? This box of Fruit Loops is $12.
This box has half of the beard and this box has the other. That's trippy.
Raviolis flavor. Damn, we got nothing. Alright guys, this is what cost $100. And here is our finished product.
No. Look at this. This is picturesque. Look at that. This is going on Instagram food. We're hiking. We're like, oh, I hope we find something. And we found an arrow. And this looks like the sun. A black sun. What are you doing here, Adam?
I am repping.
The journey goes on. Oh. Yeah.
Alright guys, we're walking back to the car from the sunset and look what we found.
Gary the snail.
A fat one. Holy crap. Alright, there you go. We are out here looking at the stars and waiting for the kitchen to free up to cook some dinner. I don't think you guys can see me, but yeah, I'm getting some cool photos.
Man, now that we have a room, I feel like I could actually do things other than sleep when it gets to nighttime.
We got some olive oil, some rabbit food, some sort of red sauce, some Indian seasoning, some mushies, some butter, some seasoning for the fun. Frozen to end another great day. We have
By who? That is correct. That would be me. I made that. I made that. I put the fork in the thing. I brought my champagne of fruits that I'm pouring up. Gurt, 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 gurt. Alright, gurt, 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 gurt. Alright, that's a good amount. Alright, dude, I'm scared about this chicken. I have an Insta account that needs to go somewhere already. Oh my god, I'm getting.
I have 3. Bing, bing, bing. All of them.